Hello. During my presentation, I will explain the structure and function of digestive system, the process of mechanic and chemical digestion, including optimal condition of enzymes involved in discussing the specific enzymes, the constituent food groups, and the balanced diet and their sources. The digestive system starts from the mouth into the anus and ends in the anus. The whole process happens in the digestive tract, which is about 9 meters in length. The digestive tract is also known as alimentary canal or GI tract. It is consists of 8 compartments, which is the mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, small intestine, and the large intestine. The mouth, the digestion begins in the mouth, where the mechanical breakdown of food begins through mastication. Inside oral cavity, the teeth begins to bite and tear the food, breaks the large food particles into small molecules. The tongue mixes the food with saliva and create bolus, a small rounded ball of food. The bolus is forced into down and phalanx by a series of peristaltic contraction. The food is pushed over the epiglottis and into the esophagus. The epiglottis is a small leaf-shaped flap which prevent food from entering the trachea and the lungs. The esophagus is roughly 8 inches long and connects to the pharynx to the stomach. It carries masticated food through the diaphragm and passes through the lower esophageal sphincter into the stomach. The liver is located on the right side of abdomen below the diaphragm. The liver produces a yellowish green fluid called bile. The gallbladder. This is a pear-shaped sac that is attached to the liver. The main role of gallbladder is to store bile and help digest fat. The stomach. The stomach is a hollow muscular organ lying inferiorly to the diaphragm in upper left quadrant. When the bolus reaches the stomach, it churns and becomes semi-liquid mass known as chyme. The gastric juice is produced by stomach glands and contains hydrochloric acid, water, mineral salt, enzymes, and intrinsic factor. Food takes about 2 to 4 hours to digest before it passes into small intestine. The smaller intestine is roughly 6 to 7 meters in length. It is responsible for breaking down of food using enzymes from the pancreas and the bile from the gallbladder. Once the nutrients have been absorbed, the liquid form leaves the small intestine and travel into the large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters long in length, and it is final stage of the GI tract. Its function is absorb water, salt, and the chyme that store the feces. Mechanical digestion. Mechanical digestion, also known as catabolism, this is a physical breakdown of large food structure into a smaller food structures. The process commences in the mouth. The teeth breaks down the food into small digestible pieces. The process is called mastication or chewing. The chemical digestion. Chemical digestion starts in the mouth as well, then process in the stomach, where digestive enzymes such as pepsin and gastric lipase are secreted to break down protein and triglycerides further. The process and mechanic of chemical digestion. Digestive enzymes. Enzymes help to break down the food molecules into small units, aiding absorption and speeding up the digestion process. Enzymes works better on optimal condition, temperature, and pH level. The temperature that enzymes works better is about 37 degrees Celsius, which is about human body temperature. Enzymes has area called active site, where chemical reaction takes place. The active site is a unique kind of shape which allows specific molecules to fit inside them. Once the reaction has occurred, the product leave active, ready for another process. Pepsin. Pepsin break down protein within the stomach. Once protein has been broken down into smaller protein, these are known as polypeptides, which are ready for absorption in the small intestine. The optimum temperature of pepsin is 37 degrees and optimal pH is very low or acidic pH. Lactase. Lactase break down lactose, which is a sugar found within dairy products. It is produced in a small intestine. Breaks down lactose into two smaller sugar molecules called glucose and galactose, so that it be digested and absorbed into the body. The optimal temperature of lactose is 37 degrees and optimum pH is 6. The constituent food groups and of balanced diet and their sources. There are 5 different food groups that makes up a balanced diet. The first food group is protein, often found in the meats, beans, fish, and eggs. Protein keeps our muscles strong and is important for our immune system. The second group is carbohydrates, such as pasta, bread, and potatoes. They supply our bodies with energy. The third group is fruit and vegetables. These are rich in fiber and great source of vitamins and minerals, which supports our immune system. The fourth group is dairy, found in milk and cheese. Dairy products are a great source of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, include calcium, which is essential for our healthy bones. The fifth group is fats, which are found within the oil and spread. Fats contain a range of vitamins such as vitamin E, which is important to fight infection. That's the end of our presentation, and thanks for listening. If you have any question, please ask. Thank you.